For years, many public school teachers had very limited opportunities for promotion. It took 10 to 20 years for a teacher to progress from teacher 1 to teacher 3. Yung nakasama po natin, 30 taon nag-antay. To overcome these hurdles, we implemented the Expanded Career Progression or ECP system for public school teachers.
Ako pala si Mercedita Pascal Teves. I am teaching in Buanoy National High School. I am already 32 years in service sa pagtuturo. Pasok ako 1994 hanggang ngayon because that is my profession. That is my choice. So I'm happy even we meet some difficulties of being a teacher. 3 schools na na-assign ako. Una, from Tibungan National High School. After 1 year, nalaman ng supervisor namin na balamban talaga ako. Sabi niya, doon ka na. As a teacher, because it is said, teacher is like an actress.
Magandang hapon din sa inyo. I am Janet T. Navarro. Ako ay mula sa Nangka National High School, Balambang, Cebu. I've been teaching for almost 32 years already. Iba yung pangarap ko. Alam niyo, ma'am, yung gusto ko, magiging flight stewardess, masunurin yung mga tao sa unang panahon. Kaya, umuwi ako at nag-apply na maging teacher. I learned to love teaching, especially pag nakita ko yung mga mukha ng mga estudyante. Dahil nakita ko doon na mas marami akong matutulungan kung nandoon ako sa profesyon na yun. Yung student ko, magkukwit na due to poverty, walang suporta. Binuntahan ko siya sa bahay nila at sabi ko, kailangan tapusin mo ang iyong pag-aaral. Bumalik siya, ma'am, sa pag-aaral at without me knowing, yung sinabi ko pala tumatak sa kanya isipan. Ngayon, successful na siya. I heard from a certain person na sinabi niya kung hindi daw dahil sa akin, ay hindi niya maabot ang nabot niya ngayon. Kaya I'm so grateful. Kaya nasabi ko, talagang tama yung landas na tinaha ko.
Teacher Janet Navarro from Nangka National High School, 56 years old, 32 years before na-promote. Teacher Mercedita Teves from Buanoy National High School, 31 years before her promotion. These teachers today are very, very special. This is their first promotion after a career spent serving in the classroom. Salamat, Mr. President. This is the fulfillment of your promise you made some time ago that no teacher shall be left behind and no teacher shall retire as a teacher one.
Nang makita ko na talaga yung pangalan ko, sabi ko, Lord, Lord, you're really so good. I think that I'm not a teacher one only.
May pagmamalaki na ako at pagiging teacher 3 ko. Then yung position talaga parang nagbo-boast din ng confidence.